Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you websites and blogs that accept free guest post. So we can find niche related website, as example health, tech, traveling website to add our guest post and increase our website domain authority and get some traffic. Let's go to video. I will open new tab and you have to enter your niche. Let's get our niche as health. So I will enter health, then press space. After that I will enter right for us, then I press enter. When I press enter, I will get a health related website and blogs that allow to send guest post for free. So those are the websites that allow guest posting. If I click that link and go to some website on this list, I will see their rules and guidelines. So this is the easy and effective way to find high quality websites that already rank on Google for your niche. That means if you get backlinks from those websites, your website authority will increase and you may get some traffic to your website. If you read their right for us page, you will find how to send your guest post to their website and how many links you can add. So this is the way. Let's get our niche as travel. I will enter travel right for us. When I enter travel right for us, I will get right for us pages that related to travel needs. So if I go inside that website, I will see guidelines and other information. So this is the way, and this is really effective way. Just enter your niche and type right for us after your niche. Let's do it one more time. This time let's get tech as our niche. So I will add tech and space. Those are the tech blogs that accept guest posting. So I hope you get valuable information in this video. Also, I already create video about how to find guest post in website using Facebook. That is another effective way. I will put that link on description. Also, in my blog post I have article called 20 health blogs that accept guest post. Feel free to check that article if you run health blog. Those websites will help you to increase your domain authority. So I hope you get good understanding about today's video, and if you have any kind of question, let me know. I will see you in next time. Bye bye.